Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating and explaining a phylogenetic tree using Macintosh computers. Here you can see a phylogenetic tree that I have created with 9 branches. Each branch represents an OTU, or operational taxonomical unit. These branches can be different species, different virus strains, and more. The bottom branch here represents the outgroup of the tree. The outgroup is an OTU that is derived earlier than the other OTUs and is a common ancestor of the OTUs in the tree. The outgroup also allows the tree to be rooted. In this case, the Macintosh Classic is the outgroup. With the outgroup identified, we can begin to examine the rest of the tree. After the Mac Classic, the first internal node of the tree contains a split from the common ancestor into 2 types of computers, desktop/all-in-ones and laptop computers. At the first internal node for laptops, we can see the Macintosh Portable, which looks and operates a lot like its ancestor. The Mac Portable is an example of anagenesis, where evolution occurs within a single lineage over time. From there, we can see the next node, which shows the PowerBook 180C with a newer, more portable design. The last internal node for laptops displays the most modern and upgraded mobile computers, the MacBook and MacBook Pro. These 2 computers are an example of cladogenesis, where one lineage splits into 2. They also share the most recent common ancestor of mobile computers and the lowest number of OTUs. Next, we have all-in-one desktop computers. At the first internal node of desktop computers, we can see the iMac G3, the computer most similar to the outgroup. Then at the next internal node, we can see a new design in the iMac flat panel. The last internal node shows the upgraded new display and internal processor in the iMac G5 and Unibody iMac. The iMac G5 and Unibody iMac also share the most recent common ancestor and have the lowest OTUs. Thank you.